Welcome everyone to today's program. We are going to discuss a topic that is both very important and urgent nowadays, environmental pollution.
It not only directly affects human health, but also negatively impacts ecosystem and the future of our planet.
Yes, that's absolutely right. You have hit the nail on the head. Environmental pollution is a global issue that no country can afford to ignore. From air pollution, water pollution, to soil contamination, all of these have serious consequences, ranging from dangerous disease for humans to the loss of biodiversity.
Hey, have you noticed that the air is very dusty and stuffy lately? And early in the morning when I go to school, I often see very thick layer of fog. Visibility is also limited, and when the fog mixes with dust, yeah, fine dust particles and exhaust fumes trap and cannot escape. A friend of river, Tolic River, recently has black water and smell when the weather is sunny. Most of it is due to domestic wastewater and other types of waste being discharged directly into it. And you, how do you see the plastic waste?
Yeah, I see the plastic waste problem as a result of modern lifestyle and fast, convenient and cheap living habits such as plastic cup and styrofoam food containers. On average, plastic products are only used a few minutes before being discarded.
We find the issue let's find out the overall pollution in Vietnam which I do.
Handling environmental pollution is a pressing concern in Vietnam, affecting various aspects of life. Air pollution is prevalent in urban areas due to industrial activity and vehicle emission. In addition, water pollution is a result of untreated industrial waste and agricultural runoff, impacting aquatic life and water source. Additionally, plastic waste pollution causes the environment to be invaded and negatively affected by plastic products and material that cannot be naturally decomposed. Despite efforts of the government and environmental protection, protection activity of organizations and individuals, environmental pollution is becoming increasingly serious. What is the cause of this? To better understand the current environmental problem in Vietnam, we interviewed people about their knowledge and solution to this situation. In your opinion, how is the current pollution situation?
In my opinion, the current pollution situation is quite alarming. While some progress has been made in areas like renewable energy and waste management, pollution levels, especially air and plastic waste, remain high and continue to pose serious threat to human health and the environment. Immediate action is needed to reduce emissions, promote sustainable practice, and protect nature ecosystem.
Thank you, your answer. What kind of environment pollution?
Environmental pollution is mainly caused by human activity, such as industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, deforestation, and the use of chemicals in agriculture, improper waste disposal, and the burning of fossil fuel. Also contribute significantly, releasing harmful substances into the air, water, and soil.
Environmental pollution can come from nature. Phenomena such as volcanic eruptions, storms, floods, soil erosions, earthquakes, and so on. These phenomena often release toxic gas and dust into the air, water, and soil, affecting the habitat.
Low awareness of pollution is the root cause of many environmental problems. If people are not responsible, the environment will be damaged more seriously. How does air pollution affect of human life?
Actually, exposure to air pollution can affect almost every system in the human body, contributing to a wide range of health problems from respiratory disease to cancer and neurological problems. The health impact of air pollution comes with significant economic costs. These costs include health care costs, lost productivity, and premature death. It also contributes to climate change, heat stress, and impact on mental health.
Thank you.
Does water pollution affect human life?
Certainly, water pollution has a significant impact on human life in various ways. First, it directly affects health. Contaminated water can carry harmful pathogens such as bacteria and virus. Second, it also disrupts economic life. Water pollution affects jobs, reduce agricultural and fostering productivity and undermines tourism. The cost of treating pollution is also a burden on economy. Finally, water pollution makes clean water scarce, affecting daily activities such as eating, bathing, and hygiene, forcing people to use unsafe water sources or pay for clean water, thereby increasing living costs.
Thanks for answer. Plastic waste pollution affect human life.
Plastic waste pollution has serious impact on human life and the environment. Plastics contain harmful chemicals that can enter the body, causing cancer and endocrine disruption. Plastics also pollutes ocean, harming marine life and destroying ecosystem. The production and disposal of plastics consume valuable resources and incur high costs, while plastics take centuries to decompose, overwhelming landfills.
Thanks for answer. What negative impact has pollution caused on the environment?
Pollution has a number of negative impacts on the environment, such as increasing the Earth's temperature, contributing to climate change, and melting polar ice cap, leading to rising sea level.
In addition, environmental pollution also reduces biodiversity, resolve, acidify the ocean, cause acid rain, and increase extreme weather events such as storm and flood, destroying natural ecosystem.
Okay, thank you.
In my opinion, some measures we can take to reduce pollution are as follows. First, let's use energy saving, clean energy, use public transport, and so on. Second, we need to take reasonable measures to treat wastewater, plant more trees, limit the use of plastic bags, to garbage in the right place, recycle plastic products, paper, and so forth. And finally, let's join hands to raise public awareness. This is the most important factor in protecting the environment. Each of us only needs to track a little, contribute a small part, but when added together, it will make a big difference.
Okay, and the current pollution situation in Vietnam is increasingly serious and has a profound impact on human health, the environment, economic development. Although pollution problems have been clearly identified, the situation has not shown any significant sign of improvement. Without timely and effective solutions, Vietnam will face serious consequences in the future, affecting not only the quality of life but also the development of the country. Therefore, to solve this situation, there needs to be strong cooperation from the government, businesses, and each citizen in reducing pollution, protecting natural resources, and moving towards a green, clean, and beautiful world.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.